people based on where different people are at in terms of real estate or their journey or what have you. So what happens is we have people who are learning just a cookie cutter way of real estate. Nothing wrong with that. Many people aren't really clear of what it is that they want to do because most people are teaching it in silos. I'm going to teach you real estate. I'm going to teach you how to get some business credit. And then they throw the funding as really at the end of the day, they're really just kind of talking about business credit, but they don't really know how to show a person how to get access to it. Whereas I help people how to put together a capital funding stack. That's looking at all the possible alternative funding, um, uh, uh, all the alternative funding types of capital that you could get to be able to get you to your desired outcome.